plantain jerk chicken poppers. Alright, so we have our plantain here. We kind of slice them up, or slice one of them up at least. What we're gonna do is go ahead and fry this in some oil, and then we're gonna take it out, and then we're gonna press it in our orange or lime squeezer, just to kind of get the middle of it like this, right? Then we're gonna put our barbecue jerk chicken on the middle of that. Beautiful appetizer. Alright, so we're just gonna go ahead and put this in our oil. I got my oil up to about 300 degrees. We're just gonna go ahead and drop these in. Alright, I'm gonna let this run probably about, I'd probably say about 4 minutes or so. 4 to 5 minutes tops. Just gonna go ahead and get a little color on it, get it a little soft, and then we're gonna go ahead and pull them and press them in our orange or lime squeezer. Alright, check back with me here. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and put them together here. So I pulled out a couple of them out of the pot. So run it for about 4 to 5 minutes. So what we do here, if you got one of those little cupcake holder things, just go ahead and put it there. Let this cool a little bit too, just to kind of give you a heads up. Let it cool off a little bit, and then we're gonna kind of center this as best as we can in the middle. Yeah, then you're just gonna kind of press it in. Yeah, just like that, and just try to shimmy that bad boy off. Yeah. Alright, so we have our little plantain cups ready to go here. So we're gonna put them back into the oil. Gonna kind of get them solidified here with the shape. So just run this for a couple minutes, probably about 2-3 minutes at tops. Alright, so we just pulled them out of the pot there. So you know, we have a nice little cups. We have the jerk chicken. I'm gonna go ahead and use some Kinder's barbecue sauce, the hot honey. And just put a little bit on it like that. Yeah. And mix it up. Then we're just gonna kind of fold these in, just like that. Yeah man, so pull them out of the oven here now. I know it's time to sample. Looking beautiful.